Hello and welcome. When you look at this logarithmic equation, you'll notice that here we have x over 9 as the base of that logarithm. And here we have 9 over x, which of course is the reciprocal of this as the argument of this logarithm. Now, to make life easy for ourselves, let x over 9 be equal to the letter d. That means that here we have d and here we have 1 over d. Now, the next problem is this. Of course, you know that when we square both sides of this equation, we have that x squared over 9 squared is 81 is equal to d squared. So the question is, what do we do to this to get this? Notice that if we multiply both sides of this equation by 27, we have that 27 times x squared over 81 is equal to 27d squared. Of course, you know that 27 into itself is 1 and into 81 is 3. So that means that x squared over 3 is equal to 27d squared. So we can replace this with 27d squared. Now, when we rewrite this original equation, we have log base d of 27d squared is equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 1 over d. Now, notice that 27 times d squared is a product, and recall that log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So that means that we can expand this left-hand side as log to base d of 27 plus log to base d of d squared. And this is equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of, instead of 1 over d, we are going to write d to the power minus 1. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will change the base of this logarithm from base d to base 3 to match this term. And of course, to do that, we need to apply the change of base formula. So, applying the change of base formula to this term, we have log to base 3. 3 is the new base of 27 divided by log to base 3 of the old base, which is d, plus, now here you know that log to base d of d to the power 2 is equal to 2. So this whole term is now equal to 2. Here we still have 6, and we are going to apply the power rule of logarithms to this term. We are going to bring down the exponent of d, that is minus 1, to the front of the log term to become a multiplier. When we do that, we have minus 1, and that is going to change this sign from plus to minus, and we have log to base 3 of d. Now let us find the value of log to base 3 of 27. 27 is 3 to the power 3. And of course, you know that log to base 3 of 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3. So this numerator is equal to 3. Also, let log to base 3 of d be equal to the letter t. So this denominator is now going to be equal to t. We have plus 2. Let us move this 6 over to the left-hand side. It becomes minus 6. And let us also move this over to the left-hand side. Of course, you know that this is now t. So we have plus t, and this is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. So we have 3 over t minus 4 plus t is equal to 0. To get rid of this fraction, we multiply through this equation by this denominator, that is t. 3 over t times t, of course, this is going to cancel that to leave us with 3. Minus 4 times t is going to give us minus 4t. And t times t, of course, is t squared. And this is equal to 0. Now we can rearrange this. We have t squared minus 4t plus 3 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of t squared is 1, all we have to do is to find the factors of plus 3 that will add up to minus 4. And of course, those are going to be minus 3 and minus 1, because minus 3 times minus 1 is going to give us plus 3, while minus 3 minus 1 is going to give us minus 4. So we can factorize this left-hand side as t minus 3 multiplied by t minus 1 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either t minus 3 is equal to 0 or t minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we have that t is equal to 3 or t is equal to 1. And of course, you know that this simply means that log to base 3 of d is equal to 3 or log to base 3 of d is equal to 1. And you also know that this simply means that 3 to the power 3 is equal to d, or 3 to the power 1 is equal to d. So we have that d is equal to 3 cubed, or d is equal to 3 to the power 1. 3 cubed is 27, and 3 to the power 1, of course, is equal to 3. And finally, to find the value of x, from this equation, we have that x is equal to 9d. So when d is equal to 27, we have that x is equal to 9 times 27. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 6, that is 24. And when d is equal to 3, we have that x is equal to 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. So the two values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation are x equal to 243 and x equal to 27. Now, to check our answer, it would be best for us to work in powers of 3. 243 is 3 to the power 5, while 27 is 3 to the power 3. Now, substituting this into the original equation, here we have log to base 3 to power 5 divided by 9 is 3 squared of x squared is now going to be 3 to power 5 times 2, that is 3 to power 10. So we have 3 to power 10 over, this is 3 to power 1. Now, is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 9 is 3 squared, and we have x as 3 to the power 5. Remember that when you divide two numbers with the same base, you simply subtract their exponents. So here we have log to base 3 to the power 5 minus 2, which is 3, of 3 to the power 10 minus 1, which is 9. Now, is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 3 to the power 2 minus 5, which is minus 3. Now, of course, you know that we can write this as log to base 3 squared, or rather 3 to power 3, of 3 to power 3 to power 3, because of course you know that 3 times 3 is 9. Now, is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 3 to power minus 3? Remember that log to base 3 to power 3 of 3 to power 3 to the power 3 is simply equal to 3. So on the left hand side we have 3. Now, is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So we have minus 3. And of course, you know that 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3 to the power 5 or 243, this equation is satisfied. And also when we substitute 3 to the power 3 into the original equation, we have log to base 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 squared of, now we have 3 to the power 2 times 3, which is 3 to the 6th power divided by 3. Is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 3 squared divided by 3 to the power 3? 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have log to base 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 3 to the power 5. Is this equal to 6 plus log to base 3 of 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this is 2, or rather 3 to the power minus 1. Of course, you know that log to base 3 of 3 to the 5th power is equal to 5. Is this equal to 6? And you know that log to base 3 of 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So 6 minus 1. And of course, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So we have that when x is equal to 3 cubed or 27, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. If you enjoy such content, subscribe to the channel and you can see more videos here. Thanks for watching.